Hello, this is Groot with 3. We are live from the San Diego, Idaho, and we are doing lesson 19. Okay, so I think the third question is the last one, I think, because that matches in the reading.
Yep, the null is independent. The alternative is not independent.
Right.
Yeah, that makes sense.
What is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom? The last one, right?
Number of rows minus 1.
It's always minus 1, and then you multiply them.
Multiply by the number of columns minus 1. Yep. What is it?
This one has 3 rows, right?
2 times 3, so 6.
Yeah.
Do we count the total row? The total rows?
Yeah. Well, I don't think that female, male, and total column total is a column.
So.
Oh, wait a minute. I think he was one. No, I don't. Wait, what were you saying? What were you thinking, Matt?
I was saying, is the column total, like the total rows, do those count towards the row count? Like,
No, I'm pretty sure it's just the ones with the numbers that we care about.
So then it'd be 2, not 6.
Yeah. Well, 2 times 3, right?
It'd be 1 times 2, or 1 times 3.
2. Yeah, or it doesn't really matter what order you do it in, but it would be 2 times 1 or 1 times 2.
Well, isn't there 3 columns and 4 rows?
No, there's male, female in column total as rows, and then there's Republican in total as the columns, but we wouldn't count the totals, so it would be 3 columns and 2 rows. So it'd be 2. If we don't count the totals. But
yeah.
I'm wondering if we should count the totals though.
I think we wouldn't. Because it's not like the totals are giving us new information.
Yeah, that's right.
X squared test. So you must use a simple random sample. Size must be greater than or equal to 5.
So which one are you on? Sorry, I was kind of looking in the book real quick.
Number 6.
What did you say it was?
I think it's the first one because section 2.1 says you must use simple random sampling and each expected count must be greater than or equal to 5.
So that's the count is yes. Is that a simple random sample?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a simple random sample. It says in the above thing.
Yep. So it's the first one. Now we have to plug that into the Excel sheet, right? That data.
I'm guessing, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have it open.
Is it chi squared?
I think so.
Are we using the chi squared?
Oh yeah, it is. So now we have to plug in that data. Do we all want to do it?
Probably.
All right. So, and it doesn't matter. We don't have to. Yeah, that doesn't make sense.
Um,
Oops.
So did you guys get a test statistic of 16.204?
I got 14.
I got 16.204. Did you delete the rest of the data, Aaron?
Yeah.
You want to just double check your numbers? I'll double check mine.
Well, yours is probably right. I probably just am doing something wrong. So you did 250, 350. Oh, did you guys do the totals as well?
No, that's not 350, Aaron.
It's just 300.
250, then 300.
Then 50,
Then
and then 200, 150, 50.
Oh, I put a 20.
That'll do it.
Way to go.
16,204. There it is. And then all zeros for the next one.
Yeah.
It is less, Aaron.
So Matt, what's it if P is less than?
I don't know. I gotta look at my stupid book every single time because I forget. If P is less than alpha, we reject the null and there's sufficient evidence for the alternate.
So there's sufficient. What was the null
There's
hypothesis in this case?
I think it's the first one.
So there's sufficient evidence that suggests.
Yes, that was the exact alternative hypothesis.
Yes.
Ow.
So 10, I think is true. What are the degrees of freedom for this problem?
You get 8.
2 times 4, 8, yeah. 8.
And 7.436
Yeah.
and 0.40 or
490.
Yeah, 4904.
So now there's insufficient evidence. The last one?
Might be the second. I think it might be the second one. Oh, I don't know.
Because what's the hypothesis? Oh, right there. Location and the motivation. So this one, we reject the alternative or we support the alternative?
Is it what was the p-value?
0.05. So we fail to reject, which means there's insufficient data. There's insufficient for the alternative.
So there's insufficient data that the location and the motivation to visit a chiropractor are not independent. Sorry.
I think it might be the second one.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the second one too.
All right, you want me to submit it?
What did you get for 12? You guys, did you plug the data in that fast? I was like,
Yeah,
I was
Just
doing it
copied
by
and pasted
hand.
it.
7.436.
All right.
Whew.
All right, I'm gonna end the broadcast.
See ya.